Yo, what's up, y'all? We're back here on the channel and we're doing some work on my 3-valve swap Fox. We're trying to install the Panhard bar right now. I got a deal on, and I'm gonna show you where we're at with it. So let's take a look. Down here, getting ready to mark the holes for the Panhard bar. Now, you might not have to, but I did, and I needed a new one anyway because it was getting rusty, but I had to cut my tailpipes out. This is the adjustable bar. This spacer shims that go inside the frame that are gonna need cut down when I get them all drilled out and marked. Now, you may not have to remove both of those, but it's just the shock brackets. You'll definitely need to remove one side for the Panhard bar bracket, but I had an extra heavy duty shock mount bracket in case you went coilovers that they sent me when I ordered my coilovers for the Coyote Swap Fox. And then while we were at it, we got rid of the quad shocks, the infamous quad shocks. So I'm gonna try and get this to work. See if we could get it set up to see how much of a weight loss everything is. So it's not really working, but it's around 5 pounds, I would say. Let's remove them again and see if we can get it better. Yeah. It's about 5 pounds, but so when you're doing this, it's actually not too bad of an install without the exhaust. There's basically 2 measurements you kind of need. Yeah, we don't have the luxury of a lift here, but so let's get this out. So you can see I got my plumb bob hanging, and this is the Panhard bar bracket. It's pretty self-explanatory how it goes on, and then you can see the heavy duty shock mount bracket that I had. So what you basically do, you hang that plumb bob with the wire, and you go from the wire. It's kind of hard to see under here, but it's about 4.5 to 4.25 to the inside edge. The directions are pretty decent that I got. And then you go to this side, and with this plumb bob, you go and you get the same 4.25. should be able to get 4 1/4. It's a little bit off. So 4 1/4, but that will change a little bit when I get it better adjusted. But as long as these two measurements line up, you're pretty decent. So that's the panhard bar. Try to get it clamped. It's a little bit hard by yourself. But the holes will get marked up in between there, and then we'll drill them out. The quad shocks were removed, which took me forever, and bolts are pretty hard to get out of the frame. And then while we're at it, we found a little rust action that I'm gonna have to repair, I guess, behind the shock, the quad shock bracket. That will get taken care of in the future. But you can see this side, and then the panhard bar. It's looking pretty sweet in there. But we still got it, doing some work onto it. It's not a perfect car, but it will do. And then, like I said, this is the directions telling you pretty decently how to do it. Everything. And now I got a deal on this. All I had to do was scrounge out some bolts. Found some bolts and everything laying around. The main ones he had were there, the big ones. So we're gonna get back at it here. I just wanted to give you some Fox content. Installing the panhard bar here. It's not as hard as people think it is. It is time consuming. You gotta put in a little work to do it, but we're getting it done. So you want to keep tuning in, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you later on the next video. Peace.